Okay, welcome back to our channel. It's Jack and Rob.
And Steph! That was good. Okay, get in here.
So today's video is going to be a glow up of the White Hill Girls.
That's why we're looking busted and crusted and rusted.
This is how I look every day.
I was gonna say, disclaimer, although we say we're glowing up, this is literally how we always look. But I mean, we might change things up and
Yeah, we're gonna make some
maybe
changes.
look different.
But we will, because that's the point of the video.
So we're lucky enough to have Stephanie in town for quarantine. And like we said in our previous video, check it out if you haven't, we are taking coronavirus very serious, and everything that we are going to be doing, we do already own in our own house. So we're not going out to the stores to get any material.
We have a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. So what we have planned is we're doing face. So we're doing like face masks, makeup, the works. We're gonna do hair. So we're gonna do the hair mask. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna dye it. We're gonna do something with it.
That's the point.
And I'm also gonna get dressed up and our
Tatted
nails
up.
done. And we're gonna get the works. We're gonna do a spa.
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Hit the camera. Bam!
Wait, you can still see my face. Oh, that's fine. Bye!
I like to start at the end.
I was gonna say put it on the ends of your hair. Oh my god.
Holy shit. I don't know what I'm doing.
Here's the spot.
Don't put it on top of your head.
You just drifted on me.
Start from the bottom and work your way to the top. Don't just, go plat on top of your head.
This is your first time doing a hair
My
mask?
first time doing a hair mask. I don't even know what a hair mask is. How do I know when I'm done?
Oh, honey, you're done. Okay, good?
Yes, I think so.
Great.
So, we have Robin dyeing her hair. Well, Jackie dyeing her hair green again. It's gonna be a brighter green. Look how long her hair is. Steph Cam. We are going into the everyday lives of Jack and Rob. Of Jack and Rob Fitness.
Hello.
Today,
Jack is dying the rod of Jack.
dun dun dun, they are dyeing hair.
Just die, that's the point. So we finished doing my green hair. It isn't as bright or as high as we thought it was gonna be because we're running out of dye, but it's good enough, it's bright enough, I like it, so let's get on to Jacqueline's. Okay, it's now time to do Jacqueline's hair, and if you've watched any of our previous hair dyeing videos, when you see this shirt, that means some bleaching's about to go down. So if you haven't checked out our other hair dyeing videos, check them out. For Jacqueline, what we're gonna be doing is just putting some highlights in, some blonde, and then for Stephanie's hair, stop! Anyways, for Stephanie's hair, we actually already cut it, and we didn't get that on camera because we didn't know we were gonna do this video yet. But yeah, Stephanie's hair is thick as hell.
She's taking a break from dyeing her hair.
Because if you saw our last video where we dyed her hair, we made her fire hydrant red. Hella bright. So check that video out too. But let's get on to some bleaching. Yeah?
Yeah.
Steph Cam. Do 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 do.
So Robin just asked for verbal consent.
I have consent to bleach your hair.
Yeah, she asked what I wanted done, and I told her whatever she wanted to do.
So we got them on camera. So if I mess up, it ain't on me.
Goodbye, hair.
Goodbye, yeah.
Rip. Dun 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 dun. How do you feel, Jackie?
relaxed.
Is this like a spa for you?
Yeah.
Robin, how do you feel?
I'm tired.
Mom Cam.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. And she's crocheting. Underneath there is all the crochet stuff.
Yep, it's all on the stove.
Yeah. Actually, let's go take a look.
Okay.
These are Jackie's plants. And then underneath the plants is what Mom made. Look at that. That's so pretty. So pretty.
Eyebrows are very fair. I wasn't blessed like Robin with the dark eyebrows, so I'm just gonna be dyeing my eyebrows. I use the Just for Men like beard dye on my eyebrows. So I just finished putting on the eyebrow dye. They look pretty thick and blocky, especially from the before, but they're not going to turn out that way. I leave it on for about 10-15 minutes and then I wipe it off and then we're done. Okay, so it's been on for about 10 minutes, so it's time to wipe it off. Just on paper towel, a little bit of water. Okay, so it's all wiped off now. They're not too much in the face. I like that so I don't have to put makeup on every day, and I do wash my face about 3 times a day when I am working. Once before I go to work, once right when I get home in the shower, and then once when I shower at night before I go to bed. So they don't last that long, so I would have to upkeep them. I do them about once a week.
So next is gonna be some face masks for our face and skincare. And
Oh, I thought we were doing this type of mask.
no.
Oh,
Wait, look it. We told Stephanie to come upstairs to do face masks.
I thought they were talking about mask.
Because why?
Because we were watching Chicago Med.
And because who made that?
I made this.
She made it! Anyways, so yeah, no, I'm sorry, Stephanie. I hate to break it to you, but we're
Okay.
literally talking about these masks.
I'll go put these over.
Alright, you come join us. Okay, now that Stephanie has figured out what type of face masks we're doing, we're going to put them on.
She's doing a sheet mask. She's doing a what kind of mask? Sheet mask, peel off mask. And I'm doing a paint on mask.
This is literally like only our second time doing face masks. If you haven't seen our video previous to this, we did face masks with our mom.
Animal.
So check that out. And then I guess it's round 2. Let's get it.
Brown sugar mask I've never used before. Came with a little brush. Sweet. Oh.
It doesn't work. Oh, well,
I just need a. I think I might have should have worn. Might have should have. Could have.
Mighta, shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Probably.
Do you need to wet it with the brush? Oh, that's sanitary.
Cut that. I think I needed to warm it up.
So we kicked Jacqueline out because she was taking like an hour just to put her damn mask on. So it's Stephanie's turn.
Oh, it's cold.
You're not penguin this time.
I'm not penguin this time.
This feels wrong. Oh my god. Oh. It's my favorite color. Oh, thank you.
Simba.
It smells like nail polish remover. It better remove all the gunk on my face, you feel me?
Very white.
Can you like back up? You're like in my face. Oh my god.
You look like you're a cake that frosted yourself.
I look like I'm playing with slime. Jacqueline has finally turned herself into the peanut butter baby.
Brown sugar. Alright, so we each have a different face mask applied. We're gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes. We'll wipe them off and then we're gonna head to bed because we have an early morning tomorrow.
Final results of our glow up coming tomorrow.
Hello, and we're back with Steph Cam. And we're all glammed up. Bam! These are natural curls. These are fake curls.
Yeah, these are fake curls with that blonde light that Robin did yesterday. Lit.
And my short hair that she cut.
My green hair that's been dyed.
I did that. I'll take credit.
Stick around for future videos where it gets chopped. Okay, let's go outside. Let's show our stuff off.
We got all glammed up, and this is the end of the video. And you have been watching Jack and Rob with special guest Steph Cam.
Stick around for future videos. Hope you enjoyed, and go check out some other videos on our channel.
Bye.
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 What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh damn. Okay.
Everybody kneel down. Get down, Stephanie.
Sit.
Together. Absolutely. So.
Why so little?
Because that hurts my knees to come.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
don't want to have to work out this whole time.
Go get the white seat.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Hashtag short person problems. Who's talking?
Hey, you're still shorter than me. I'm sorry, I'm tall. Don't touch me. Oh my god, bad girl.
Steph Cam. I'm going to steal her camera. And we're
Robin,
gonna
you
go.
look pissed off.
I'm so hangry, I haven't eaten yet.
Baby eyebrows.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. No,
I have the scar on my face now.
wait, that's where it is. Do you see how they're small? Just spit on you.
Ew.
I'll have to edit this a lot, but yeah.
Okay, peace out. This is our outro. We're done.